Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Neologic, and today I'll be explaining the ins and outs of Logic Pilot. Let's get started.
Logic Pilot is a powerful AI assistant designed to streamline your workflow and automate tasks. It can be used in both the builder and the workspace. Let's start with the builder. In a project canvas, you'll find the Logic Pilot button at the top right. Clicking on it will open a modal. In the builder, Logic Pilot is typically used to suggest relevant apps, find specific components, or answer questions related to app installation and project creation. In the workspace, the Logic Pilot button is also located at the top right. Clicking on it will open a chat window. In this environment, Logic Pilot acts as your personal analyst. It can be used to generate insights, reports, forecasts, data models, or answer specific business questions. That's the end of our quick tutorial on Logic Pilot. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.